backed by popular demand, ancient Greek olive wood. This time we're cutting this into cookies. We're gonna stand this thing up vertical and slice her into some pizza pies. So let's get to it. Got a big one. All right, hook, line, and sinker. I got a big one. It worked actually fantastic. We put the lifting strap around it, put the forks forward, hooked it on to the telehandler and lifted it up, and it actually worked great. We did trim the bottom just a little bit to make it flat, and it seems to be sitting pretty good. It's pretty tall though, so I'm gonna rest it right on the actual bunks, like the steel frame of the sawmill. And then from there, we're gonna figure out how to keep it from being thrown away basically as we sawmill it. All right, we got it plopped into place. It's sitting on the frame of the sawmill because I needed to have it a bit lower. It's actually incredibly stable just how it is, although it's too far this way. We're gonna put the forks in here, this, and we're gonna just slowly push it a little bit on the frame, kind of get it centered up. And then I'm probably gonna attach some like 2x4s or 2x6s that kind of help hold it. All right, we got it framed up. Doesn't look pretty, but it's gonna do the job. I know this blade is super dull, so we're gonna switch the blade, and then we're gonna decide where we're gonna start cutting. We gotta decide on a thickness too. Probably, those last ones were nice. Those are at like 5 inches. Okay, we're locked and loaded. We're all set up. We're gonna make the first cut. This is where there's the most we're at the very height of the log, so there's the most pressure pulling sideways on it. If everything's good here, I think we'll be dynamite. Let's engage the sawmill. All right, we've taken three slabs. We've taken 3 slabs off of this olive wood trunk. Everything seems to be fine. It hasn't launched to the side from the blade cutting it. And we're just gonna hammer down now. I wanna see what's inside this, and I got lots to do. So let's make a bunch of sawdust, make some beautiful lumber. Hope you guys enjoy all this. Let's get right to it. Hoi! Parkour! All right, let's get some water on it, right? Oh yeah. Oh. Woo. Some delicious, delicious olive wood. It's even got like bird's eye going because there's a burl here. They did all these eyes on it. We're cutting. All right, another great day. I'm in a t-shirt, snow's melting, lots of mud though. Don't like the mud, but it is what it is. Summer is coming, spring is in the air, folks. We have 11 about 3.5 inch thick olive wood cookies. They're all beautiful. We're gonna take the rest of them off. We've cut all the way down as far as I can go to my lowest support. I took one of them off, but I don't want to continue cutting this with that one removed. There's a high chance that it could throw the log this way because there's a lot of forces going that way with the blade. So what we're going to end up doing is probably finishing off the bottom chunk. It is a lot smaller on the wood miser at a later date because it is almost the end of the day. It's amazing how much longer things take when we're doing the filming. Not complaining at all, folks. Thank you for watching. Not complaining. Just saying it does take a lot longer, anything that I do, but it is what it is. So you're going to see a little footage now of us popping these off, and maybe we'll give you a little more water popping, show you the grain. Other than that, I got some lifting to do. That's it, everyone. This is another Slaburday Saturday coming to an end. Thank you so much for tuning in. I wanted to measure and scale this lumber, but we just didn't have the time today, and we got to edit this video and get it to you. So thank you, everyone, so much for watching. We had a great time. If I could share the smell with you right now, it is unreal how fragrant this olive wood is. We're all done, folks. Another fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next Saturday. Throughout the week, we'll see you on Tuesday with another Tool Tuesday, and we'll be coming at you with a weekly woodworking life. Till next time, everyone, make it a great one.